Alright, this is a documentary. It's a documentary. If we don't make it back in the apartment, and whoever finds my phone, we try to make it to the car, which is exactly 15 feet from the door.
What's up, Baba? Who's up, nigga?
So, this is live action recording in this blizzard. Let's go.
It's going down.
Lola, you gotta stand there. Let's go.
How much film you got?
I got nothing, nigga. I got hours. Alright. As you can see, look outside. The windows are covered. It's about to be dangerous.
Black people want to smoke. Black people want
I'm gonna check my keys on. Holy, okay. Okay, I wouldn't throw Alex.
You ready for this?
Go.
Ready for this? As far as we...
Okay. Okay. Okay, look. Okay. As you can see, look. This is me. This is the fucking hill. And it's, oh my god, dude. I made it through, come on. That's how high the fucking snow is. That just came past my waist. Huh? Yeah, come on. I got you. Watch this. Oh, shit. Alright. Alright, how the hell we gonna make it out of the parking lot? Dude, look at the parking lot! ...2011 snowstorm. We came all the way here for pasta. For damn pasta. Alright. Hey, Alex, I'm about to do a dive.
Nigga, you serious?
Yeah.
You don't want to do a dive.
I'm gonna do a dive.
Nigga, you don't want to do a dive.
I'm gonna do a dive.
Everybody.
You got me?
I got you, nigga. There we go. Nigga, close up. Oh shit!
Yeah.
Oh. That's the mountain.
And that's it.
That's how we do it.
We made it, y'all. We out.